Here comes the moment, guys. No, you can't see me. Can you see me? Oh, you can't see me. Cool. Alright. I am here. Oh my gosh. Okay, cookie time. So I got the cookbook from Destiny. I'm gonna bring it closer. There, is that too close? Close enough? Focused? I don't know. And we're gonna make this. I cannot tell. I'm trying to look at the camera on my phone over there. There we go. That's what we're making, Gjallardoodles. So basically they're walnut shortbreads with cashews. I didn't soften this at room temperature because I decided to make this today. So I'm going to microwave it at 30 seconds, power level 5. That means 50% if you don't know how to use a microwave. Okay, so I already like pre-weighed everything out because that just seemed like a smart thing to do. Perfect. If you do it at 50%, it doesn't melt it completely, still same shape, but it is soft. So now we have room temperature butter. Took all of 30 seconds. It's amazing. That's what microwaves are for. First, I totally skipped over the roasting the cashews and stuff. I just bought roasted cashews and put them in a blender instead of doing it because that just seemed like too much effort, and it's hot as hell, so I don't want to turn on the oven more than once. So we already got that in here. I guess you guys don't even know the recipe, so I'm just gonna make the cookies and then... Okay, I'm gonna cream the butter. I'm using a mixer because I'm lazy. And efficiency. Not because I'm lazy. Efficiency. Correction. But struggle. Sugar, butter. Push this struggle down. I'm gonna go speed 3. I'm picking my phone up so I can read chat, not ignoring you. And some people don't like that. Nothing's happening. Cool. Cream and butter. So much fun. Oh, do you want... I'm gonna read the little excerpt from the book. Can you hear it over the mixer? You can hear me over the mixer? Okay. Okay, well we're gonna turn the mixer off anyways. So this is the little beginning of the thing. You most likely know how stern and cold Zavala presents himself. It wasn't until I celebrated my first dawning at the tower that I learned how kind-hearted he can be. I was making a batch of these cookies when he stopped by to tell me a joke. It was quite awkward retelling, and frankly, I can't remember the punchline. But he seemed so much more relaxed after that. Since then, I make sure to whip up a batch of these for him every year. So we're making them today, because that's the day. Well, I don't think it's the day actually, but it is Gjallarhorn Day on the Destiny subreddit. So, okay, my butter's almost creamed here. Just gonna wing that up some more. Oh my goodness. I don't have a stand for my book. So, I also had a special dress for this event, and I didn't even put it on. I'm just wearing my Daisy one. Oh well. So we got some creamed sugar. What else? Ba-ba-da-ba-ba. Cream the butter in the bowl. Do-do-do. Add vanilla. I didn't pre-measure this out because I don't have a tiny container to hold a tiny amount of vanilla. I wish I did though. It would be really adorable. Excuse me. What does it say? Vanilla, 2 teaspoons. So that's half a teaspoon. This is a full teaspoon. Ba, ba, ba. Only do it over the bowl if you're crazy like me. 1, 2 vanillas. Okay, so now we added the vanilla. The salt was already in with the flour. And then what was I supposed to, oh, the egg white. So I didn't separate my egg yet, so we're gonna do it now. This is fun. Oh, it's the only egg I have as well. Haha. Look at that. Separated it cleanly. Yay. And that, friends, is how you separate an egg. Put the egg white in there. Whoop. Turn that back on. Until some point. Dump this in the sink. Maybe scrape it down. Alright, so now add the flour in 2 batches, it says. Did they score again? They win? The Canucks just won, I was informed. That is awesome. So I got my flour and my salts. Do I mix that with something else here? Add the flour mixture and so this guy was supposed to be mixed with that guy, but my bowls are not big enough. Okay. So we're just gonna go like this. Some of this. Some from bowl A. A little bowl B. Whoop. Do it on low. From what I gather, they're pretty much shortbreads, like walnut shortbread or almond shortbreads, but made with cashews, which is a little bit of a weird twist. I guess Destiny just wants to be cool like that. It's from the Destiny cookbook. They released it just last month, I think. So as I lean into the mixture. So they appear to be cashew shortbreads. I'm not really sure what I'm going to do with that egg yolk. Might end up just throwing it away. Oh, thanks for seeing that. That sounds weird. I don't know how else to say it. Thanks for noticing me. Okay, it's looking actually pretty yummers. I should turn my oven on. It doesn't, okay, this kind of bothers me a little bit about the recipe. It doesn't tell you until the end that you should turn the oven on. Like, bake. Like it, yeah, it just goes right into place your almond or your cashews on a baking sheet and bake for 10 minutes. It doesn't say at what temperature, for how long, or anything like that. So, you really gotta know what you're doing if you're actually getting this cookbook, I think. I thought they were gonna be super in-depth, but they tricked me. It is more in-depth than I thought it was gonna be for a video game-based cookbook, though. So, I'm appreciating all the lore and stuff that is tied to it, like these. Yeah, it's like I just go through the whole like recipe, and at the end of it, it's like, oh, by the way, you should preheat your oven to 350. And you're like, oh, that would have been nice to know like 20 minutes ago. Oh, geez. Exactly. So true. Okay, we don't want to overmix them or we'll end up with tough cookies. I don't know. I thought it was funny. Alright, we got like coming together. Prepare, place on a sheet. Okay, on to the pretty much just dump the dough out and put it in the fridge. See, cookies are so easy. making it into a kind of a square. And then it goes in the fridge for a little bit. Alright, so we got like, it said square, but I did a rectangle because I'm wild. Crazy in here. It says put it into a shape like that. 1/2 inch thick. Okay, so we're gonna put this baby in the freezer for half an hour. I mean 10 minutes. Gee, I need a rolling pin. And cookie cutters. So I guess I'll get those. Oh my god, should I do them in fun shapes?
What?
Well, like, I have like an ice cream cone. Do you think that'd be cool?
That'd be cute, yeah. Like the Gjallardoodles?
Yeah. Well, it just says like a round circle. That's so boring.
Yeah.
Boring. And then we'll use the wooden rolling pin because it's so fun. Yeah, we're doing an ice cream cone cookie shape. It's an ice cream cone. Whoa, my camera is like a rainbow.
Whoa.
What is happening? Look at it. What is happening with that? Why does it look like that?
I don't know. You ate the wrong cookie.
Yeah, gee, sorry guys, I gave you the wrong one. Ice cream cone, cookie cutter. Are you sure it's fixed? Yeah, okay. Just habit. Okay, time to roll cookies out. Okay, how thick? 1/2 inch. That's a thick cookie.
That's okay though. Oh, jeez. Okay. Okay. Because my hair's long, it's already in the food. Cool. I should have tied it back. Okay. Got cookies, approximately 1/2 inch thick. I don't have a measuring thing anymore. I did before, but
Inch cookie? Jesus. Mine are like just a little bit under that. That's okay. Okay. Zavala likes his cookies thick. Duly noted. Ugh. Hair. Cookie. I'm like, where's the camera? Can you see? Cookie. Is it focused high enough? There it is. 1. bit? I don't know. Alright. These guys went into the freezer for 10 minutes. Oh, my hair is in my face again. It's falling off my head. So now we're going to bake them. Timer. Okay. They say bake for 15 minutes until they're golden brown. There we go. We made some cookies. Cookies? Can you see in the camera? I broke them. Sad. They're gonna be wild. I'm holding this the wrong way. But need to remove the cookies from the pan. Hot pan. Here we go. 10 more minutes. Timer on. They're a little dark on the back, but adorable cookies from the Destiny Cookbook. Oh no, it's breaking. And I'm dying to eat one, honestly. Get better. Here we go. I'm a terrible camera person, sorry people. We're doing the slow back. Sorry. Here we go. First taste. Tastes like shortbread. They're delicious.